Hello. This is the last meal that I have left from my first week of HelloFresh. HelloFresh being a good option for you just really depends. The portions of this definitely have been able to keep me more, keep my appetite down a little bit, and I've been able to, eat less and feel better. There's a bunch of different types of meals that you can choose from. I hope that I can introduce HelloFresh into my life a little bit more because I really like it, to be honest. But I think I definitely do need to go try other things too. See how the other the meal prep services do. Because when you're shopping for things, you don't want to just stick with one thing and then, just keep that forever because you never know until you try everything else. So even with credit cards and with banks and with insurance, you want to shop around and you want to look for the best thing because you are selling your business to them. They're not selling their business to you. You are selling your business to them. If you want my money, you better tell me why you deserve my money. Because my money is earned by my hard work and time that I put into stuff. So if I'm giving you my money, you better earn it. So shop around. Find things that you think are worthy of your money. Don't just find one thing and then stick with it, because you never know. There's something better out there. There's always something better out there. Reach that potential. This looks delicious, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely like this recipe along with all the other ones. Really easy to follow recipes, very time convenient. As far as money-wise, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna check back with you in a week to see how that is comparing to shopping at the store. I definitely don't think that you can beat the recipes. Like, the recipes are really good, super convenient, handed right to you. Remember, the mission of this YouTube channel and the main agenda of this YouTube channel is going to be to keep your goals in mind so you can save your money, your time, and have more energy to do the things that you love. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Yes.